What's the biggest enemy for your house? Water. Water leaks wreak havoc on houses in the ceiling, walls, and foundation. From leaky roofs, to leaking ceilings from bathrooms overflowing, concrete foundations cracking because of the water pushing against them, to have water tanks actually leaking and not being noticed. How can you tell if there's mold in your house? Check for this sort of thing. Black or greenish spores and dots along baseboards, walls, ceilings, or in the general area of windows. How do you prevent this from happening? Well, sometimes it's impossible, but make sure you get a home inspection when you buy a house.